cute girl.
Okay.
And like I wanted to know her name, but I didn't really know if I should like go up to her or anything.
You know what? I dare you to go talk to her.
You dare me to go talk to her?
Yeah, I dare you to go talk to her.
I mean, I will. You think I won't?
Well, let's see.
All right, I'm gonna do it.
Okay, bet. Go.
Hey, I think you're cute. Cool. Oh yeah. I was just wondering if like you would get wild or something.
What grade are you in?
I'm a freshman. What grade are you in?
I'm a senior.
I mean, like we could just be friends. You could have my number, right? Is that okay? Cause like.
You have a flip phone?
Yeah.
I don't date freshmen with flip phones.
Seriously?
Seriously.
What? Okay, fine. Damn.
Have you found anyone yet? I mean, it's only like the third week of school, but come on.
I mean, there was a freshman that was trying to ask me out.
You a freshman?
And he had a flip phone.
You're kidding.
No.
Oh my god. It's like 2021. Who has a flip phone?
I know, right? Unless you're like poor.
Right. Maybe us.
Anyways, I want to get a snack.
Okay.
A dollar? Do you have $1?
No, I don't.
Did I
Hey.
hear somebody say dollar?
Yeah.
You need some money for this vending machine right here?
Yeah.
I got you. Let me just. All right. So hold out your hand. 3, 4. Here you go.
What are these?
Is that the freshman? They look like quarters.
From what? The 60s?
Yeah, maybe. Can't believe he actually gave
Does
you
it
this.
work?
I don't know. Try.
Where do I put it in? Here?
Maybe, yeah.
It works?
Thanks.
You're welcome.
No problem.
Thanks for those answers in the math class earlier. That was really sweet of you.
Anytime, yeah. Anytime you need it, yeah.
What's going on here?
What's going on here? I asked for your number, you didn't give it to me.
I mean, I didn't know you were interested in someone else.
Well, I mean, since you're not interested in me, I guess I have to. Anyway, what are you doing after school?
Anything?
She's hanging out with me.
You wanna go get something to eat?
Yeah. No, she doesn't. But I'm free Friday.
I'm cool.
Come on, let's go.
Hey, wait!
What?
Get out of here, I'm not talking to you. Anyway, catch you on the flip side.